Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, guys, be it you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, do us a favor by clicking on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. And also, guys, if you are new and you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So, all you just have to do is go to the comment section, find the link to our Telegram channel, follow us on Telegram. We will be putting out one or two useful information for you guys there. Now let's take a look at GBP New Zealand dollar. At first, we were having this bullish move. You can see it from February 2023. We'll be going bullish right on GBP New Zealand dollar. Then you can see that this is the first movement to the downside, corrective wave. This is the impulse. You can see it massive sell right on GBP New Zealand dollar. Then you can see there's a double bottom around there, which indicates like an reversal. Then markets push up. So in the long run, it will be expecting another fall on GBP New Zealand dollar. So we will be expecting a fall, but probably from next year, let's say next year, we will start getting that fall. But right now, the fall is not yet playing out. So what is the market doing currently right now? That should not take us to the 4 hour time frame. What is market doing? You can see that market is ranging within this level. Like you always say, trade what you see and not what you think, right? So what can you see here? Market is ranging, which we will take a look at this top to be the resistance, and we will take a look at this bottom to be the support level. So you can see once market comes to this resistance, we tend to see rejection down to this our support, then to our resistance. You can see it came to this our support multiple times. So what next are we expecting on GBP New Zealand dollar? Definitely we'll be expecting a bullish move back to this our resistance level. So our bias on GBP New Zealand dollar is to the upside. So a bullish move is what we should be expecting this week on GBP New Zealand dollar. Do not forget to follow us on Telegram, guys. You will find a link to our Telegram channel in the comment section.